Hi all, welcome to Jamso Art Class. Today we are going to draw a snowman. SNOWMAN, snowman. So to make a snowman, we will have to make a circle but don't close the edges. And now we will make snowman scarf. Join the lines like this. And now you will make a snowman's cap. Make a circle on the cap and now curve another side, and now we will draw snow on the floor like this. Now we will draw hands of the snowman like this, another hand with fingers, button on the dress. Two small circles are enough, and now we will draw two circles to draw snowman's eyes like this. Now we will draw a shape like a carrot. This is snowman's nose and the smiling mouth like this. Okay guys, and we'll see you in the next session. So keep watching Jamso Art Class. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. See you. Bye bye.